Hey everyone, this is Ned, and this is Len, and this is Angel. We are the Philippine Dream Team. And today we're doing what's called the SamYang Challenge. These are 2-time spicy noodles from Korea, and they're supposed to be unedible. They're supposed to be so hot and so spicy that you can't eat them. A bunch of other YouTubers have tried to eat them, they can't. I'm pretty good with spicy food. And now Len and her sisters, while I was in the US, they actually did this themselves, and it didn't end well. And you can actually see the footage right here.
Hi, we're gonna eat SamYang. Sige na. Game. So this is challenge. Challenge. Alright. Master go. Ay, sige na, ikaw na, Vic. Wala. So bad. So bad. She's dying now. Asukal. Tintal.
Alright, now in your experience, what was it like eating these noodles?
It's so spicy and it feels like you have needles in your tongue. And I think you can do it and you can eat it.
You don't think I can do it? You
Yeah,
don't think...
it's not too much, but I don't think so. You can eat it.
I like spicy foods. I've always enjoyed spicy foods, and I think I can do it. I'm gonna give it a shot. And if I don't eat it, I know that Angel will eat it because she is a glutton. So let's do the SamYang challenge. We're gonna cook this up. We're gonna eat it. We'll see you on the other side. Alright, so these are only 55 pesos. It's about $1. We got this at Hypermart, and it's a SamYang, 2-time spicy. So as far as price, it's pretty cheap, and it's much bigger than a typical ramen noodle fest thing. And there's 2 flavor packs in there. We have like a liquid one and a powder one. And we're going to put both those in there. And we're simply going to put both the flavor packets in there and put in the hot water. And hopefully this will be an intimidating, fiery experience. I'm not sure. I mean, all the other vloggers on YouTube, they literally could not do it, but I got faith in myself. And today's my birthday. So what can possibly go wrong? Ooh, that looks good. Let's hope this bowl's actually big enough for this. We're gonna pour in the boiling water into the noodles. Get the noodles softening up a bit now. Alright, we've got it mostly reconstituted, and I'm gonna bring it out to the porch and try to eat this. One thing I did notice is that it stains everything it touches a garish reddish orange. So that's promising. Okay, so I got the SamYang ×2 spicy noodles. We're gonna give it a shot here, see how it goes. It's actually not bad. It's pretty tasty. You can feel the kick, you can feel the spiciness for sure. Yeah, you can definitely feel the heat, but it's not like brutally overwhelming, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to finish it. Okay, yeah, so we're about halfway done. I'm about halfway done. You can definitely feel it. I can feel it in my sinuses, I can feel it in my eyes a little bit, but it's not deafening, it's not killing me completely, but it's hot, it's hot. And the real challenge is going to be towards the end when I have to drink the leftover fluid, because the noodles are actually nullifying some of the spiciness.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Spicy.
Okay, so I'm almost done. My eyes are watering, my nose is running, hence the paper towel that Lynn had to run for. It's hot. I can see why they do it as a challenge, because yeah, my eyes are burning. And here's a quick hint. If you're gonna do this, don't wipe your mouth with a paper towel and then wipe your eyes with it afterwards, because the hot peppers go right into your eyeballs, which they are doing right now. How do I look, okay?
You look red. More red.
Okay, so I have completed the SamYang challenge. Lynn said I look very red right now. I feel very hot right now. It's definitely spicy. Again, this is something that you want to eat over the course of a movie, watching a long sitcom. You don't want to be slamming it on your front porch like I just did. I now challenge Brian Beckley, videographer, a vlogger, who doesn't live that far from here, to the SamYang challenge, because I guess that's what you do in this day and age on social media. You guys do challenges to each other. So here's a challenge to Brian Beckley. I challenge you to the SamYang challenge. I don't think you can do it. I don't think you're half the man that you think I am. Does that make any sense at all? I'm not sure. I think the hot peppers are starting to go to my cognitive functions. So this is Ned and Lynn, and this is Angel, and Angel's going to eat the rest of what little bit is left. I completed the SamYang challenge. Look at this stuff. It's all over the place. And this is my Philippine dream. We'll see you next time. You know, Angel, stop hitting the tripod. You know it should be a lot of fun? Tomorrow morning. Yes. Tomorrow morning the bathroom should be an interesting experience. Woo! Mystery, baby. There she goes. What do you think, Angel? I notice you're licking your lips a lot. Oh, she's going back in. Damn, Angel's completing the SamYang challenge. 100% Filipino right there. Right?
Yours gonna be
Oh yes, you can tell the spicy one because she is licking her lips. She does that. I get much. Good girl. Good girl, Angel. Good girl.
I completed the SamYang challenge.
But they're not funny.
Hold on, I gotta flee.